Assalamualaikum. Today we are presenting our robot dog with the help of Lego 9686. A real dog is living thing. It can move, breathe, and eating food, reproduce. But our dog is non-living thing. It cannot do this thing. It move with the help of motor.
We use gear to move the legs. Engineering help us to decide how many gears to use, how to balance the body. This robot dog show how technology copy the animal, machine and design to help humans by copying nature. We design the shape of dog using Lego bar. We focus on body shape, leg position, our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. This is our elevator. Model the elevator move up and down using both its slow motion and gear.
We use pulley system for the vertical movement. Elevator help people move in the tall buildings.
We design a cable for the elevator. It helps us to get about high number of rotation.